Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you how to download and install iOS 15.5 on your iPhone, iPad. So let's get started video without wasting any time. First of all, open Safari app. Just type here beta profile beta.apple.com. So guys, tap it and just scroll down. You have tap on already member sign in, tap it. So as and waiting few seconds, just continue to sign in Apple ID. So waiting 5 seconds and just scroll down. You have tap on unroll your iOS devices, tap it. So wait 2 seconds and just scroll down, then tap on install profile, download profile, tap it and tap allow, close, back home screen, again open settings and tap profile, just tap install and tap here passcode. So guys, you have tap on install, not now. And so guys, here software update, click it and update iOS 15.5. So if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my channel and like and share. Thanks for watching videos. Thank you.